Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to copy link from Instagram comment. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Instagram app on your device. To do this on iPhone is simply go to a post where there is a link in the comments. Now I have put a link in the comments of this post over here myself. Now simply just take a screenshot of this comment. Then go to your Photos app. As you can see then, what you want to do is simply hold your finger on the link and it will automatically recognize the link. Then you can tap on Search Web. Now your link will be opened. It will open up the link just like that. Now on Android, what you want to do is simply take a screenshot of the comment section. Where there is a link, so take a screenshot just like that, open up Google, and you want to open up the Google Lens. So if you click on the Google Lens, import your screenshot, and then you want to zoom in. You want to hold on the text of the link, and there we go, we have now selected the text. This is a little bit annoying sometimes it doesn't select the correct text that you would like to. Then I just click on copy text, then go to search bar, paste there. Now you will see that the link is opened. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.